Hey everybody, one of the best ways to learn the different parts of bones is to draw out the bones and make them make sense to you. So here's a way to draw the parts of a typical vertebra. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and draw a circle, and that's going to be meant to be the body of the vertebra. And then you're going to go ahead and make a couple of lines at around the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock area of that vertebra. These are meant to be the pedicles. You'll then go ahead and draw a couple more lines. So you're basically going to complete a diamond shape here with these next two lines, and they are meant to be the lamina. Then you'll add in a couple of lines off of the junction here between the green and orange. There's one, there's the other. What do you think these are meant to be? All right, these are the transverse processes. And then one more line off the junction of the two orange lines. So what do you think this one's going to be? All right, hopefully you said the spinous process. All right, so this is going to be the posterior aspect of the vertebra, and the body is the anterior aspect. These transverse processes are the lateral aspects. And then this big area in the middle here is the vertebral foramen. And that is what the spinal cord would pass through. So again, hopefully that helps you figure out just those typical parts of a vertebra.